Welcome back to HARBRO Freight Quality Videos, Lowest Prices. We're doing two videos today. You got your parking lot sale. Check that video out. It's the full ad, all 5 pages. It's a 5-page ad, not just a 2-page ad from the store. And we have your weekend deal starting tomorrow, and we have the deal of the day for tomorrow. So this is going to be a little bit of a mixture of those videos. So here, well, first, if you find this helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing. We're over 10,000 subscribers. It's a wonderful HARBRO community. Let's keep growing and let's keep going. Here we have the weekend deal. Free gift weekend. Everything is just dominoing into the perfect weekend. Free gift weekend with any $35 purchase. Free super coupon. Choose one of these 3 items. You have the 72-inch by 80-inch moving blanket, which is going to be on sale at the parking lot sale. But here it'll be free, technically, if you're making a $35 purchase. If you're going in to make your deal of the day purchase, which we'll go over, the 30 caliber ammo box, which I haven't seen here before. And then we have the Prime Power alkaline batteries, AA, AAA, 18-pack free gift. So free batteries are always good, even if they don't last that long. Someone give me some feedback on how good these AA, AAA, the Prime Power alkaline batteries are. But free weekend gift. And if you're going in for your deals of the day, this is the time to do it. Let's just read the fine print real quick. Limit 1 coupon per customer per day, valid in store and on in-stock items only. Coupon must be presented at time of sale. Receive 1 free gift of these 3. It shows 4, but one's probably the AA and AAA, with minimum single purchase of $34.99, excluding taxes, and after applying any of the other applicable offers or discounts. Coupon cannot be used with any of the following ITC memberships: extended service plans, gift cards, or prior purchases, void if copied, sold, purchased, transferred, or where prohibited. Other restrictions may apply while supplies last, the 25th, the 26th, and the 27th. So that's the super coupon, of course. But then, of course, if you're ITC, you get a free gift with any purchase. Free gifts with any purchase, double asterisk. And same thing, limit 1 usage per customer per day, valid in store and on in-stock items only for existing or new Inside Track Club members. Receive 1 of the free gifts with any single purchase, excluding taxes, and after applying any of the applicable offers or discounts. Cannot be combined with ITC memberships, same as before, through the 25th, 26th, and 27th. So these will be valid if you're going in to get, well, this is today. Technically, I don't think many people are going to get this before it's out. Maybe in the West Coast, 50% off all paintbrushes. Who got their paintbrushes? I saw a few comments again of people who got their paintbrushes. Anybody get this Avanti, which is included in the parking lot sale for not as good a deal? So if you needed to get this, get it now, or hopefully you did. But these are the deals you missed. Daytona, $99, great deal. This Icon Light is also in the parking lot sale for not as good a discount. Apache, 40% off cases. Some of those are also in the parking lot sale, but not at that discount. There was a lot more people than I expected getting their extension cords, which I'm super pumped about. It's always those, it's not necessarily oddball, but I love that we can get excited about some 40% off extension cords and which gauge they are. And then, of course, we just went over this one. Tomorrow, deal 5, the U.S. General 4-drawer tech cart. Incredible deal with the $140 off Master Technician set. Who's going to go get this? I think this is going to be a tough one to get. Hopefully not. They are a little bit more pricey, so maybe they won't sell out as quickly. But who's going to get those? And then day 6, Saturday, 40% off all Bron Lights. All Bron Lights. Those are some great deals. And just to go along with those deals, let's take a look at the Bron Lights. Showing 40 items. And it's going to be full 40% off all Bron Lights. This is something to take advantage of. It's getting lost in the mix of everything. Hopefully everyone's still aware. This is going to be for Saturday. Great deal tomorrow, Friday. But 40% off. We got this 18,000 lumen LED detachable work light for 125 bucks, but at 40% off. This is like a mini parking lot sale. You're getting this for 75 bucks. What a ridiculous deal. Does anybody have these 18,000 lumen LED? Please, if you have these and you have some experience with them, let us know how good they are. I mean, 125 is a bit pricey for some stand up 18,000 lumen work lights, depending how good these actual stands are. They look decent. They're detachable, which is great. 75 bucks is sounding like a great deal if they are really good quality. So someone, if you have these or are aware of this, please let us know how they've been with your experience. But excellent discount, regardless of the fact. $75 for these, normally 100, saving 50 bucks. That's wild. And then this one, which I haven't seen, 85 bucks, a 12,000 lumen linkable LED hanging work light, 360-degree light output. So it's shining. That's pretty clever. It's shining light in every direction, which is extremely nice, because sometimes you need to light up a room as opposed to lighting up just one side or one area that you're pointing your light towards. And it's linkable. Hanging work light produces powerful 12,000 lumens of crisp, bright light in every direction. Built-in 3-prong outlets lets you daisy chain up to 5 lights. That's incredible. These are 85 bucks. A little bit pricey, but at 40% off, you get these for $51. Really good discount, still a little pricey. So definitely something to consider. But they're Bron, and I am a fan of Bron. I wish I had a Bron alert, but there is no Bron alert yet. But still, great deal. Then we have this 4,500 lumen dual LED light, work light at 80 bucks, 40% off of that. It's going to be $32 off. So you're getting this for just under $50. The 2,000 lumen foldable under hood light for 80 bucks. The 7,000 lumen rechargeable waterproof LED flashlight with battery pack. If you can find it, it's listed as a Bron light. The powerful tactical rail mount light has a convenient mounting system. 50 bucks. They removed the silver line because they were getting into some legal issues, but it is the brand new tactical light. 50 bucks. And at $50, and you get it for 40% off, you're getting it for $30. $30. So ridiculous deal if you can get it for that price. Hopefully this is included. It does say all Bron lights and doesn't seem to mention any exclusions. Of course, you have the classic 7,000 2-foot linkable motion sensing LED hanging shop lights, 38 bucks. And at $38 at 40% off, you're getting these for $22.80. Amazing discount. The 750 lumen rechargeable ultra compact magnetic LED floodlights in red, 30 bucks. And at 40% off, you're getting these for $18. Of course, the classic 500 lumen LED rechargeable magnetic handheld foldable slim work light. I just did the math on this, but we'll do it again. 18 bucks for that. Some ridiculous deals. And which one of these are you gonna get? Which one of these are you gonna get? The classic Bron 700 lumen adjustable rechargeable LED headlamp. Heard great things about it. And at 40%, you're getting it for 15 bucks. That's like a must. That is a must buy. For 15 bucks, a high quality 700 lumen adjustable rechargeable headlamp. That is tough to beat. And then any of those. So this deal is going on Saturday. So if you're going in for your Bron light, you're going to get your free tool. If you're going in Friday tomorrow to get your master set or your 4-drawer cart, you're going to get a free gift. So $58 is actually after 40%. You're right there. So let's see what Bron has for 58 bucks. So it looks like these Bron, let's look at this Bron. If you're not an ITC member, 65 bucks, 7,000 lumen rechargeable LED, waterproof LED flashlight with battery bank, which is pretty interesting to have a battery bank, USB-C charge, IPX7 waterproof rating, and at $65. You're getting 40% off. You're getting this for $39, a few dollars over the $34.99 limit, but that's super close. So you can take advantage of the Bron 40% off deal, and then you can get your free gift as well. Other options, because our magic number is $58 value, so you could always add a couple of items. You could do 2 Bron rechargeable lights. You could do the Bron Lumen 500 lumen LED rechargeable magnetic handheld foldable light plus the 750 rechargeable light, and those two both at 40% off will get you your free gift. So there's some excellent options, and I think we're going to leave it at that. Information overload. We got free gift weekend, moving blanket batteries or ammo box. We have tomorrow the US General and the Master Technicians Quinset. Crazy deals. And then Saturday we have the Bron 40% off all Bron Lights. Anyways, we'll leave it at that. Happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping. What are you going to pick up? Can you even keep track of the deals? Let me know what you're going to get. Good luck out there. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.